On the right side you found a few buttons signed with temporary memory. With this you can copy your whole main equalizer in a memory. I have stored it in memory 1. So now I can do changes in the equalizer. I can store the changes, for example, in temporary memory 2. Now you have, for example, the button reset gains. Then your whole equalizer, all gains are set to 0, and now you can recall your equalizer settings from the temporary memory. If you type reset gains, only the gains are set to 0. If you type reset EQ, then all equalizer settings are set to factory default. You also can store, for example, the temporary memory, can recall it in another preset, so you can copy your equalizer setting from one preset to another preset, or you can copy it to another group. So now I'm in the rear group in the preset 3, and I recall my temporary memory.